fully active. One coloring book I represent for Wrld TV, you know, so I'm a channel that. But anyhow, you see a brand new movie, part 2, You're Not My Dad. Yeah man, the people them say, yo, part 1 nice, them enjoy it. Yo, like our movie, like some people come and say, yo, things like that happen to them, or they know people that happen to. But anyhow, I want to watch out part 2 and tell me what I like and what I don't like. Tell me if you don't want part 3. But you see the people them whenever get to watch part 1 and you feel like you don't want to watch part 2, no. Go on, go check out part 1 first. Just go in, type in Wrld TV, YouTube, and remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And then, when you watch part 1, then you can watch part 2. Big up all of my fans, them local and international, and big up all of the team will take place and give you a strength in a movie. Tugger than, Puppy than me, myself, Tia, Alia, Chelsea, Tibi, the whole team, and remember, we can't left out Father God. Here I go on, a nigga me there, so I want to just big up my place. I get what I say. I big up the whole of the people I want to support you from Orange Hill, big up Orange Hill, Brighton, big up Brighton, Good Hope, Mount Terry, Whitehall, my place, big up the whole of them people there. Red Ground, Western Basin, Beach, Sheffield, Local London, Savlamar, yo. I will go over there. Darliston, big up the whole of Darliston to because people must support it. And big up the whole of Mobile, you see me? Senti, Spanish Town. Yo, all the people must support Wrld TV and Coloring Book TV. Room, one in your head, and you know, so Father God will lead the way. Room.
You're not my dad, some father or some careless dad of your youth and now. Spend no time, no give them little loving sometimes. Stepfathers are the best, but big up to the real father them. But Toga, you is a careless dad, leave T alone. Because a coloring book a play a father role, and the child is not his own. But he say you not my dad. Yeah, mix up a one said you not my dad. You're not my dad. Oh, mix up a one.
Father God, things just get rougher and rougher. Cause look how my baby mother tell me, say, me, I know her father again. Just through me absent for a little while. The only father she has see is her stepfather. Them not sitting right, you know, man.
Brother, morning. How about you? I come about you this morning.
There, sis.
I never asked you to do something for me yesterday and you left, so you go do it, Tugger. When I tell you to go check for my niece and find out from her mother if you can mend up back things and play a father role in a young girl life. Or you come in last night and tired that you go to your bed, go sleep and get up this morning until you say nothing to me, Tugger.
Sis.
I saw you one can't sleep.
Sis,
Oh, you want tired, so?
Whole heap of things upon my brain right now. You don't even know. I can't find the energy right now to go up on the work when I get right now.
Hold on.
You wouldn't even want to hear how my baby mother class me yesterday. And I deserve it, you know. I deserve it.
What do you mean? So if you know say you deserve it, then I don't need to tell you then.
Oh, she call me drunk and this, that come out of here. You know, me shame.
All if you call you sperm donor and trailer trash, you deserve it. You don't know? You deserve all of that. Because guess what? Your MIA is the most important part of your daughter's life. You take away privilege from me if you be an auntie in my niece's life. No. So you if you go over there and feel like if you just butter up now, just so.
Sis, right now, if you even 100 years and I'm still alive, me I make sure say me go over the same way continuously.
Tugger.
And make sure say me get things right.
Tugger, you not live so long. You not live so long. So you see like how you not gonna live so long, but you hurry up fast. Hurry up quick, Tugger. And see if you can get through to my niece. Since I can't get through to the mother, get through to my niece. Find a way to make it right and many relationship with my niece. Because as she in the middle and as she is first priority. Me no business about your baby mother and my niece. Me concerned about
you know. Say true, sis,
so you try find a way to fix it and make it fix. And make it fix quick because I don't know when I did.
I'm not lying because I know say her mother have a hated to me. Worse so me left her in a bad time. And then I go and gallivant with the money. Things just...
Tugger, remember say you no only left. You fling her out with the belly. Remember, you fling her out with the baby. You understand? So yeah, you take time, walk fast, and fix it. Let me get you be a part of my niece life. You understand what I say? Because if you not fix me, I go fix you. Remember me to tell you, you know.
God just give me energy and strength. I really need that work and this is my first day. I do have the energy and the mindset to go up on the work again. But I just have to do it for the sake of my sister and my daughter. Yes, Father God, thank you for one more day. Wifey, wifey, babe, babe. Oh, I'm to you. What's up? So what you think about baby? Why you gone out of space? You look like you reach a Panama and a December. It what happened? You okay? Talk to me. You know me and your husband. Soon to be husband. You can talk to me about anything. I'm not just your boyfriend, you know. I'm not just your husband, you know. I'm a friend also. You know, we share things to each other. So, you know, you're not supposed to feel left me out of anything. So if something bother you, feel free to talk to me about it.
Well,
Talk to me, babe.
not really nothing bad per se, you know. Just that there's have a lot thinking about, you know,
Well,
pertaining the wedding.
maybe you don't have to stress about nothing about the wedding. You know, the wedding so come, so you don't have to think about nothing. It's gonna be a blast, it's gonna be epic. I think you have something else where you think about and you might be fear. Oh God, you're just there and you make even me, I get depressed right now. You might be afraid to say it to me, but just say it to me, because I'm there for you. Talk to me, because as I say, I'm not just your husband, I'm also your bestie.
Well, B,
Yes, baby.
the reason why I sit down and look out of space is just that, in my head, I just feel like I go through a lot. You know?
Explain to me.
Alright. So you're engaged to me now, right?
Of
Me are
course.
basically your fiancé.
You
So
know.
within, I don't know how long the wedding will be from now. And I just think about it, say, my father not in my life, my real father, my biological father. And him fear walk me down the aisle, even do a coloring book, play a father figure in my life for so many years. Me love him in everything. You understand?
Babe.
But my real father not dead if you see. A little girl become a woman now and I'm married and start her own family. You understand what I say?
I understand what you're saying, babe, but question. Like, you think about this a lot, like, if you know, say, you don't know who your father be. You don't know if your father black or him brown, him short, him fat, him tall. You don't know who him be. So, like, you think about that every day or sometime,
Be
like,
what
it
you
really bother
mean
you.
if me think about it. Be not ask me no foolish
Sorry, babe.
question.
No, me
Me
not mean
think
it
about
now.
this every day. Me think about it when me wake up before me go to my bed. Sometimes me don't even know how me pass exam. To how me think about it. Me frustrated be. When me see when me have to call coloring book.
just
Daddy, you know that make me feel.
calm down, babe. Listen, now, just calm down. Me understand. Sorry if I say something to you where kind of get in a ear, but as I say, me never mean it that way. Me just that ask you a question, like, if it really bother you the way there. But don't worry yourself. Everything go good. And sometimes some people were meant to be in your heart, but not in your life. Not saying your father meant to be in your heart and you know, see none at all in your life, but sometimes you there worry about him and with him them alright. Maybe him not worry about you, maybe him cannot worry about you. So as I say, babe, I just life and me now go tell you say hope one day you overcome it because that's a hard task to do. But me there fear through thick and thin. So I go up on the road and now to go deal with some business. So we are there. You go home or you
No
chill
man,
little.
me go chill little. I'm nothing there for eat.
Me know you love fried eggs, but none in there now. But
if you want me left money with if you buy fried egg, I can do that.
Alright, me have to go up on the road.
Alright, here what go and be. This I change me. I've just take all of this and buy egg and if anything I can left back in your pocket left back in your pocket.
Alright, thanks.
Later.
Later.
Love
And
you.
have a great day at work today.
Same to you. So I went when the vacation up.
You know, say I win about 2 days time.
Alright then baby. Later here.
Alright.
And let me know when you reach over.
Babes,
Yeah?
let me ask you something. Tia, you go in your room for a morning to get up?
No man, Tia around there asleep. She look like she got to bed late last night, so she not get up yet. She go there asleep, man.
Babes, me just a come from around a Tia room and Tia no round there in bed spread up like like somebody no lie down and it over 3-4 days. And me know say I have a puppy down in gone. And if Tia
Hold on. What do you mean by Tia no run her room?
Tia no run her room, babes, like me I try to explain and tell her so me just a come from around her room.
I tell a little girl in time she left the yard, tell one away.
But babes, me and you talk about it already and tell Tia although she a big woman, me tell her say if she a left the yard, reach out to me.
She a big woman, yes, but she not too big for listen.
Babes, no disrespect, me tired of this. You know, so from what day I say Tia change. Me a
Yes,
talk
it
to Tia
was.
and Tia change. What it take for you, you're a big woman. You live on a few roof. If you are left yard, just tell you say you left yard now. Go sleep with your husband to be.
Me see look at changes in her from the day, but me just not pay no mind. Cause
Babes.
she attitude that gets stronger.
Babes, I will one pitney. Certain things we have to watch and watch, babes. From what day I move away.
Alright.
Are you supposed to watch it?
Calm down, listen to me now. Tia a big woman, no, she a big woman. Sometimes I know what you say now, how you say it, but she a big woman now. What you want me to do? What I done?
So what you mean she a big woman? So you want to tell me say, when me I say, me wrong to say what me I say.
Babe.
If she a left yard, you have to tell me or tell you, babes.
Me not see her wrong, but yeah, make it look like so she a pitting. She ain't no 15-year-old. She's not a child anymore.
Babes, me understand what you say. She is not a child anymore. She a big woman. But the big woman we you talk about live on a full roof. So if she a go one party, she fi tell we. If him a go over there to him boyfriend or him husband to be, he fi tell we.
Me know, but me go talk to her. Just calm down, no, me go talk to her, man.
Talk to her. Cause you know, sister from what she a change and a pass in place. You know what me feel? You know what? Me a go out and say yeah, man.
Give him some space, man, and top watch your pitney.
Babes, and that you really say. Say me if you give him some space and stop watching fitness and watch me and watch good daughter. You know what? Let me ask you a question. Who should walk a man? You and him out there saying an argument for cut grass. Who should walk a man in my yard and make noise?
I want walk a man ready for cut yard. Come here a quarrel last night. But him did fi come and he take too long, so me get somebody else to cut it and he come here a quarrel like he still want money see me.
So him a make noise?
Yes, I'm run him out.
Don't call him or use him back. And me can't believe you say me if you give him some space and stop watching him.
You know what I mean by when me say
I know what you say, how you say it. Rubbish.
could it? Me can't make be no say a Toga come here yesterday, Tia real father. See them, me tell Tia say I walk a man and know me have to tell Color and Bookie same thing. That's why I stress me out.
You're not my dad. Some father or some careless dad.
Like Tia, my daughter.
Spend no time, no give them little loving
So,
sometimes.
no man. That girl
Somebody
really
I walk
like
and
my
look
daughter,
for me
my
so.
daughter, you know.
That make when obligation.
Tia, you can get a minute out of your time, please.
Hi, how you know my name?
Just let me explain. I just something I explain. Please, quick and fast. I just beg you a minute out of your time. Please, just explain something. please.
No disrespect, sir. But a minute start long time, so it a run out.
Alright. Me explain. Just a long story, but me try to cut it short. You see, probably about 20 years ago, they have a baby mother, right? And
So what that have to do with me,
no, just
sir?
listen to me now, please, me I beg you. Listen. It's when we finish, you'll get the full understanding of me, I say, right? So, about 20 years ago, they have a baby mother, right? And it was a case where me dey a gambler, right? And me win the lotto and certain situation come across and me start this my baby mother. And
Sir, what you are trying to say?
just listen me I say, please. Me start from the top. 20 years ago, I have a baby mother and I win the lotto and she pregnant and me end up that me there with the girl out the road and me I treat her bad till the baby reach 2 years old and she can't take it no more. Till she end up just left me. Just because I'm a selfish ways them. End up lose her and lose my daughter in the process at the time.
Wait. Because the story of just sound familiar. This a story of sound like something my mother tell me already. Me not understand. Like,
Yeah.
oh Jesus, me not understand. Me not.
Yeah, Brown. A mother named Alia Henry, right?
Sir, how you know so much information about me?
Because me a real father.
You're my real father? Sir, with all due respect, you listen to yourself. You really come here and say you have the audacity for you tell me say you are my father?
Yeah, I'm sorry for all those years and I miss out your life. I'm sorry.
Me no want no apology from you. Wish for you did there. When you did there, when me and my mother a struggle. Wish for you did there. Because you win the lotto. You turn your back on my mother. My mother was dead when you never have nothing.
Yeah, that's a mistake we make in our life. I'm sorry, that's a mistake we make. Me I beg you, please just find in your heart to forgive me, please.
I can't believe.
Please, me I beg you, dear, please. I know what the other day me come over your yard and me I beg your mother, please, to forgive me, and she run me like a dog out of the yard. And me just feel shame and me know me deserve it, me know me deserve everything.
I can't believe.
Yeah, just please, if you even don't want to talk to me, no, please, just take my number. 876-354-731. Please. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Can't believe.
Yeah, just please, me and beg you. Just remember my number. 876-354-7310. Contact me, please, me and beg you. And you see your mother lied to you. Because she think me gone and me never gone. And she tell a lie about is a worker man in a yard when I did me outside. Just contact me, please, so I can sit and explain everything.
I'm not even bad. I want to egg. Mommy, why you do me this, mommy? Mommy, I think you did good. You lied to me, mommy.
Boy. True boss, David, no one in youth. Think them are okay for boy. I'm gonna take a 5 still, you know. I'm tired, brother. I'm not kill out myself and them are okay, you know. Them are okay as slavery work, you know.
Good man.
You hear him up there, sir.
Yeah, man, go and see the work. Just see what I'm going to do, sir.
You never want somebody put in work, but go and put in work. Yo.
Morning.
Yes, bossy.
Wow, go on. Everything good?
Then everything no most good, bossy. You know, come here and see everything good.
You just reach your work or you there a long time?
Just reach, bossy.
So, question. If you just reach, so why you sit down here so right now? I don't see no work go on.
Come
The workman then up there so I wait for the block and you sit down right here, so?
Come me tired, bossy. Look how much, you know how much black me bring out there, so. Me need a 5 verse, bro.
Oh, me I try say. And I like you there work 2 hours ago and you do a lot of work and then you just calm down and take a 5. I don't have a problem with you take a 5, you know. But you say you just reach your work. So you can't just reach your work and then you sit down and do work. Does that make sense?
Bossy, me say me tired. Me I take a 5.
I want to say something to you. I don't know if you have a bad morning. But one thing what me have to say, first, me see you behave like a this. So you see if you have a bad morning, if when you come to work, don't try to take it out on the boss or try to take it out on your co-workers. So me I warn you for the
Me have
first.
no bad morning, bossy. Me just tired and me I take a 5, bossy.
Anyways, me done warn you already, you know. And as a matter of fact, if you come here for work, get up, man. And carry black them. And I tell you, say people there around there so wait for the something them. Come like a slow, you come to slow up your work, you know. If you don't want to work, you tell me pay you for your work where you do. And give you $500. Because you move like kind of work you come. Matter of fact, one elderly man did for forward for the work. You know forward because I don't see him up on the side.
You don't see nobody, bossy.
Worry yourself, man.
Just come here.
Talk to you already, you know. I'm not going to talk to you again the next time. You might be not going to have a work. Do what you do? Oh, go on.
Morning.
Blessings. You know you're late, right?
Yeah.
And you tell me say there's a man on time.
Let me just talk to you, but the reason why I'm late, just this morning I come over here, book up in my daughter.
What you say a while ago?
Book up in my daughter. And
The daughter we are talk about, at the first time when me and meet you tell me say, how much years you know see your daughter, she finally see now?
she me finally see.
My God.
Me a
Proud of you, man. Proud of you.
Me a little end up lost of words. What to explain to her, say, but me brave up and me explain to her the full situation what go on. Me I'll tell her somebody come over there and her mother tell her a lie about a waka man outside when I did me outside and her mother run me away like a dog. Me feel shame.
to
But
be
me
honest,
deserve, you know. Me
I
deserve
me
it.
just did I go say a while ago in my general, but
So,
like
let's
how you
have a hold.
fight feet, you'll surely get there. And as you say, you meet her,
Yeah.
so you know a slow process is better than a known
She shall
process.
a ball on the road and something. Man. I'm sorry for me to late on the first.
Yeah, man, I your daughter, you know. I mean, I think you can't tell me a lie like that still because me did done talking.
Yeah,
tell
man.
me say you
I
not see your
be
daughter for much years.
straightforward with the car. You're a young youth and you be straightforward with me, so I be straightforward with you,
So,
understand?
question. You get through with her like everything patch up and now. Me know you not go fully 100 patch up, you know, cause we not see one in there for years, you know. So how you go?
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, young boy, you know, say she run me away and something, but they left me number with her. So in case when she calm down
She can call
and
you.
want talk, she can call me. And me and her to meet up and talk about things and level it out.
Well,
You see me?
from your point of view, me understand it because if you don't see her father for how much years, and a matter of fact, she never know you like no say your father, none at all.
As me say, if she call me, level it out. You understand? Because hill kind of steep, you know.
Alright. The youth you work with, like we push the barrel and up the to come back when I green shirt.
Okay.
TB. Yeah man, so some black, them a take down to carry go up, so them a lay some black. So can just go and do it. You know say, to be honest, my sister right now your mind not too there, so you understand, I see stress forward for you. So here we go on. Take it there. Me pay you said you. Me I tell you if you take it there.
No man, me I work for you, man.
No man, and me I tell you if you take it there, man. Take the day, man. And me I say so, man.
Take it there.
Yeah, man.
This a man a just come and work, you know. And even lift up one block, you know. And bossy a pay this a man a just to go home. No, sir.
I tell you what, me that check but me not have as much cash. So you what? I go send it to your account. Or if you forward tomorrow, me can give. Because I'm not too like send little money.
No rush, man. Alright. Big up
Blessings again.
man.
Here.
Thank you.
I hope you get the call.
Yeah, man. Me I hope to.
Alright.
Bless you.
Yeah, man. No problem. Man. Everything good round up, right?
Yeah, man. So, bossy, can't beg the rest of the day.
I don't understand what you say a while ago. If you can't beg me the rest of the day.
Yeah, if you go home, because right now I'm back and kill me, no bossy.
May I ask you a question? From you come here, how much black you carry?
Yeah, about 30 black, bossy.
Carry 30 black. If I the 30 black you carry, the black them up there so that decrease. You know see a whole heap of black up there, sir.
Bossy, no matter if me carry 3 or 4 black, that the man there, that the workless man there, you know, but
Excuse
neglecting data, you know. Me there saw hear everything, you know, bossy. That the man there workless, you know. That the man there just come
Let me say
around.
something. You know, say from this morning me come here, you move like a yeah boss and you a pay me and I know me a pay you. Let me say something to you. So you know come and work, you come and work for work and stop mind people business. So you see if you don't want to work, none at all, you know, want to come back on the coloring book TV, construction site, you tell me pay you and you leave and come back on my premises. Because from morning you pass the place already, you know. And a chalk line at the pan. So don't make me have to send you home.
Boss, me back at bossy.
Me don't talk, me say, tell me from before me move. If you don't want to work, you tell me fire you and you don't come back here up on the premises.
Alright, bossy, no fire me. Just pay me for work when me do for the day. I come back tomorrow.
Go and talk and see if you don't lose the whole work. Make me come back and me not see black them a decrease and see what happen. I come like me I play too much with you. Rubbish.
What's up? Come like bossy and that the boy they go run bar at night time. Cause there is no way a man can come and work for you first and even lift a strand. I have to pay a man to send him home. No sir, something right.
Tia, me not understand you. You come in, your bill is a good man, you come on and so consider a soul. Cause what happened? How we and the land no have? Look a girl that you may talk to. No, you come like me invisible or something. Tia, you know me I realize you don't look a girl. From the other day, you know, you get feisty. You have this type of attitude and the same thing me and coloring book in your talk about this morning. And you come here, you bail this morning, nothing, you just come on here and beg.
Alia, shut up! Just shut up! You see right now? I can't even know me tell you, say, see if you are never my mother. If you are never my mother, me say me just strangle you. You not believe me? You tell me fit you up.
Hello, shut up, who you talk to? You think you're a woman that this member say me your mother? You can raise voice, so what am to you? You say if I never want to me give you 2 harders.
Girl, let me tell you this. Me never know say you lie, so. You don't believe me? Me never know say me have one mother. Well, lie, me think me and you have a good relationship where you can talk to me about anything. And me can talk to you about anything. Alia, who come on yard come call the other day when you tell me about a waka man? Nobody come act surprise. Take the surprise off of your face. Who did I call you out there, son? Me tell you, somebody I call you, go out there and come back and tell me about garbage. About how somebody we are garbage and a waka man. Why you never tell me say I'm a father?
Oh, so, are your father make you be so with me? Your father when I know nothing about you. Your father when I know, you didn't even see him for my 2-year-old make you deal with me so.
That is not the point. The point is, you're my mother, you're supposed to be honest with me.
Hello, if me want to tell her not, that's not up to you. Me and the mama, not you. And me don't want him on me yard, so me tell him to left me yard.
Alright, my mama. And me a big pitney now, me a 21-year-old. Make me make the decision that if me want to see him or not. Make me come to that conclusion.
Me no say you a pitney we raise. Tia, you really disappoint me, you know though. Over your sperm donor pop. You disappoint me, your mother. We raise you, we could have dash your way. You disappoint. Who make you reach where they know?
You see what me not get? You're straight from the point.
Me not straight from the point, me attack it truth. You don't know your father don't know you. Your father run well left you with girl and money and everything. And left you for me alone and me alone raise me a coloring book.
And that is why you want to tell me lie?
Me not tell you no lie, me tell you what me want to tell you.
You betray me. Me can't trust you no more.
You see? You get me angry right now and I don't want to look in your face and you're a big woman now, you know, move fine from me. You hear me I tell you, move fine from me because you get me spirit upset.
Mommy,
No, you're woman now, you're a big man, so you're woman now.
You see, if me never want, but if I never bad blessing, mommy.
Do it.
Mommy, if I never bad blessing, me say.
Do it.
Mommy, you know how I feel right now. Fi know say, my father want to get back in my life, mommy. When
can do what? When it's too late, you're 21 now. Your father no mean no good. A good something making the run you. Alright, Tia, maybe me wrong. Just maybe me wrong. If you not tell us say, your father come to you out there so. But listen to me no feel say me wrong. Because what? Me a try to protect you. Although you're a big woman now and me shouldn't tell you. Your father no mean no good. Just listen to me. Me feel safe if you just make your father go on about his business. Just tell your father say, you don't want to see me. You don't want in a nut with him. Your only father you know a coloring book. Coloring book is the only father you know.
Coloring book is not my father. Coloring book is my stepfather. You know what grieve me? You know what really grieve me, mommy? Is that coloring book. Feel like say every time me a left yard, ain't supposed to know. Every step of the way, ain't supposed to know me a big woman now, mommy. Not because me not talk other day, it upset me. Me leave a small text by your phone and I'm still in my ears, pee cluck. So me gonna repeat. Coloring book is not my father, he is my stepfather.
Alright, listen to me now. You see one thing me have to say to you? You're under
Mommy.
me. No, listen to me. You're under me and coloring book roof. See, if you're not going to change up your folly guns or listen to it, find your way out. You hear me I tell you? Me now want about your papa again. Me done with you. You're going to know you have to chat to me now.
Want to keep me from my own father, my real father. Can't tell me about coloring book and my father.
I can't believe it. Say Ali of all person. I go tell me say me I watch Tia. And say Tia a big woman. Me know say Tia a big woman. But me just say if Tia go road, just tell him mother tell me say him a go road. That's how we grow Tia. I know watch me, I watch him. Sometimes I know what you say or how you say it. That hurt me, man. You take Tia as my own daughter and grow Tia.
B, I don't even know if it's starting now. You know, say look
You
like...
can't start off, apologize for what you say.
Listen me, nobody start with me now. Because if Tia come and be argument, you know, be a foolish Tia keep up, you know. You nobody start. Please me a beg you, nobody start. You don't know, say look like Tia go see dirty papa this morning. And papa see him so me on the road or something.
No, what you say look well?
You're not here. It seems like Tia father find her. Or something I don't know. But Tia come over there on his high ass. All call me girl. Aliyah. One high ass over there.
No, what you say look well?
Oh, if me and never mother, it would have stronger me.
Tia call you him mother girl?
You come like you not hear me I say.
Tia will grow from right so. Tia will grow from right so.
B?
From 2-year-old come here so. 2021 you know Tia call you girl.
Tia when me raised to 21 years.
So hold on.
Call me girl. Me
So why Tia want to call the girl? What the reason you have?
Alright, let me break it down. You remember when me tell you say a garbage man one bag of foolish about
The waka man where you say come to cut the yard and him violate and you run him out of your yard.
Really and truly I never nothing about no waka man. And the Tia father come. So me run him out of my yard. Me not tell us say him father because me don't want to cause an argument. And me don't want Tia feel. Me don't want to cause no argument and then she happy with the wedding.
Babes, you move too fast. You move too fast. Me live all long. Why when things start lie to me?
I don't lie, me tell you, me know say we cause an argument, me just not say it.
Make it cause an argument from the truth. Don't make it cause an argument from a lie.
You just tell me say Tia father come over there. Can't you invite him over there? You tell me lie.
Well, apparently, Tia find out and come a class.
Look for me, man. Me I talk to you and turn and talk to me when me I talk to you.
Me say, Tia find out and come a class me as girl. Your mama was raised him for 21 years as girl. How you would have stronger me if me and your mother. One heap of something. And with my own business car, you and your father. And I can't feel.
Babes, more you listen me and listen me good. Tia say I'm not his father, right? Me were growing from him a 2-year-old till 2021, send him go to college, send him go to school. See, and you did make Tia chat to you so, and I pass him the remarks say, against me. And you know what Tia slap him and squeeze in short and jolt in tongue and push in the back.
You don't understand. If you rage me in a, probably would have ended up in prison.
You know what? Coloring book,
So
calm
just
down.
walk away.
Calm down, coloring book. This is not the right way to deal with the mother. Babes, where is Tia?
Tia there in a hall. She in a hall sitting sulking up, sucking up herself.
So you want to tell me, say, Tia father approach him. Where or when, I don't know.
Out of the blues.
Out of the blues. Over 20 odd years pass and you approach him and Tia come and cuss you. You what did the film as a mother and father, and me what did the film as a father and stepfather. Where Tia there right now?
Tia over there.
You know what? I think me need to go chat to that big woman, cause you know. Me not living in no yard with no big woman there, you know. I want big woman in the yard and you know. And I want big man and me.
Me make sure tell her say for me and for your roof. So if she can't oblige to the rules them, she finds something.
You know what? Beg, me so forward. If you want to come, you come in. It's up to you. Me not living at this.
Here two of them round there. Eh? Mommy I come make complaint to coloring book like coloring book can't beat me. Two of them can't beat me.
Tia, I'm talking to you. Why you call your mother girl? Your mother will carry you for 9 months and raise you for 21 years you call girl?
Coloring book she a girl for true. A girl alone me still walk around and tell lie.
Hey, Tia, listen me. Actually, I'm not that guy. Don't you ever in this roof here call your mother girl again. Not because you're 20 or 21 you're going to disrespect your mother. What's going on with you and your mother? You pass the place and I call your mother girl. What's going on, Tia? From what you flip up? You flip. You shear out like you're a cat pack. You pose like you're 66. What's going on with you and your mother, Tia?
Coloring book. Me a walk go shop. Me over the land and me go shop. Me a go shop, right? And me see my father. My biological father. Right? At first, me never believe, me never understand why I go until the man can lay out every information on the table. You understand? And on top of that, the man gonna tell me, say, him come over here for talk, for just for men things. And my mother, the woman me call girl because she a girl for true.
Tia, more you listen, and more you listen good. The first and the last, me I tell you, don't make that come to a little space teeth there again and call your mother girl. And my roof and your mother roof you inner. You see the moment you feel like you're a big woman, pack your things them and leave. So let's talk about your dad. So if your dad absent out of your life for 21 years and now in present back in your life.
It's not 21 years, it's actually 19 years.
Where the 3 there for 9? Where are they? Very close. So listen what me say now, Tia. You have all right to be angry. But I know so you go ahead and deal with the situation, the class, your mother.
You know, say coloring, but me feel like you're uphold with her. Me feel like you know so my father come over here, you know. Because mommy can't tell me, say, a worker man come over here. And on top of that, she call my father garbage.
Yeah.
She never knows I'm a garbage when she lie down with him.
Can I ask you a question? How long you know your mother? All of your life, right?
Yes.
Question. How long you know your father? Less than 24 hours, right? No, answer me. Because I'm not that bright, you know. But I'm not that dunce. I said
you're
how
acting
long?
dunce in a real life right
how?
Now. If mommy look upon you and lie to you, you ought to feel betrayed right now. Me feel like mommy rip out part of my heart.
Your mother lied to you because I'm trying to protect you. I don't know your father. If I see your father right now, and him the prime minister, me only know say your father. I don't know that guy. I'm the father that take care of you. And I'm not telling
You're
you.
my stepfather, not my father. You play a father figure in my life, not my father.
I just want to ask you a question. I play a stepfather role in a father in your life and also a father role. But I'm going to ask you a question. You're right. I'm not your father. But I'm the guy that play a father role. But you know your mother over 20, 21 years. You just know your father less than 24 hours. And you ever put your father over your mother. Why you never come to your mother and explain and talk to him? Yeah. And if him wrong, you tell him saying wrong.
You see attitude of me I deal with in here. I tell you, it's either she or me I go stay there and I know two big women in this.
Turn on your mother chat to you. Look for me. Look, hey, turn up your son. Me a chat to you. You what you do for me now. If you can't treat.
Let me go cause my father never put in hand on me.
You know your father? You know your father for less than 24 hours.
Turn up your son. Turn up your son. Your mother talk to you. Tia, I went since you turn this away. Yeah. No, when Tia, what your mother do to you? Where you cross his father, tell you where you disrespect your mother and disrespect me, Tia.
Definitely forgive me about my daughter, cause
Tia, this is not you. This is not the little bright college girl. If you want to go meet your father and get to know your father, nobody can stop it. But you go meet your father and disrespect your mother and disrespect me, Tia. Tia, more if you just, you hear me I say, if you're going to be this guy, just take your things and go over your father. I'm not going to put my hand on you because I never raised it that way. So you're going to just get your things and leave out our roof. Although you're a big woman, you're not a big woman. Disrespect your mother and disrespect me. And that's final. If you can't apologize to your mother and apologize to me, leave and go check your father.
That's what I talk about. That's what I really I deal with.
Me tell you, sir, from what year that little girl pass in place, you know. Me know, sir, from what year and I hit me, I tell you. You know, saying father curse. If father come like Melissa and Ivan.
If father more than curse. Cause as if not even 3 hours good. If father in my life and he ruined everything for me already.
Father, just guide me. Just guide me in the name of Jesus. I ain't a demon in a tear. More you just pin him around and trample him in the name of Jesus. And make my family come back in a one. You know what I call my brain out so.
Oh, brother, how you come from work so early today? You just start to work and start bike at the people and work already?
Boy, sis, is a whole bag of something going since I left her this morning.
What do you mean, what bag of something? What kind of bag of things?
Yes, when I left her this morning, so I got work. Before I reach work, you don't know who I see?
Who you say, Jesus? Who you say, Jesus?
Sis, guess.
Me I guess. Me say Jesus. That I want to guess.
Guess again.
Who you say, God?
My daughter, me buck up and...
I lie you tell. You see me niece? You talk to her?
Yeah, me talk to her, but...
Toga, you come like you still asleep. Wake up, man. You hear them already.
Wish it did go well as how me see it in my mind, but it never go as how me see it in my mind. You understand? Just because of some it pass, when me see her, me I get emotional when me explain things to her. You understand? But
Toga, you stress me out. Hurry up.
Listen,
you talk to me, niece,
man.
what she say. Me I listen, but you take long.
Listen, sis. That's when me I explain everything and how long me and her mother there, and when me put her out, she and her mother, and me lost me way and me neglect her and something. She start crying and she can't believe say her father stand up in front of her.
Well, on it, Toga. So for the first time you see my niece and I want a conversation, you want to build a father and daughter relationship. It's a bunny you looking up. Look here, and you tell me about last week.
No,
where tell her that for? You did last week?
Listen what me I say, because you get things wrong. Me I tell her, say me I explain the past, how me and her mother get separated, and that me I explain to her. And she get emotional and start cry.
But that ball too. Mother ball too. Cause you not try to find out if me alright and how me I got through life. And make me know say as a father you did missing and me I try to make up your back now and me reach out to your mommy. She not give me opportunity but me I try to reach out to your me daughter cause me are your biological father. You gone in a past where did the details. She not busy about the details. She concerned about where did they. How long you missed out her life?
But
Where were you?
That's how me I explain, sis. You know, get me. That's how me I explain.
But
to
a ball
her.
too.
The one night time me I try usher and she a push me and say, go away, me no want to say that me I left me number. Me don't even know if she remember it. She let it down in her brain because she never had no pen for write it
But I
down.
push her down. Alright, my brother. Alright, me calm down now. Me surrender. And one thing more to make you know. You see my niece, she's very important to me. And you're a child, right? Anything then show you, or anything then show give you, or any boss then fling you under her truck, you deserve it, my brother. But at the end of the day, I want you to understand, say, 20 year pass. So you know, go easy for you right now. It's not a pushover. And I don't push from business. You have to go fight
Chelsea,
hard for this. More you listen to me now.
need
I
more
want you to
time
listen. Yes.
to get through to her right way because she get the message, you know, but it just not connect yet. That's how me feel.
Tugga, I saw you feel, but I don't saw she feel. Me understand, so you go one more. What it more time? What it more? At 20 years, you're missing 20 odd year. You have to go fight, and you have to go fight hard. And you have to go push forcefully. I mean, I tell you, because it's not just easy for just men back things just like yesterday or today. A years pass without you as a father in a fair life. You're not playing no father figure all our life. This hard fear right now, this new, that come like you get one new phone and you don't know how to set up it.
Boy, sis, me understand where you're forward from. Even my boss, she said my energy not too did it today. And on my first day, he just send me home and say, just go and get rest your side there. Start fresh tomorrow. So I just, that me I do. And
Alright.
me really want to say everything where them a throw at me or say about me at the moment now, me really deserve it. But
you
that
know.
now go stop me from try get to my daughter and sit down and make sure say everything level out and she forgive me about my past because me change now and me really want put a foot in her life now. The right way as
That's
a
the
father.
right thing, my brother. That's the right
Even though
thing.
me not do it when she there in her growing up stage, because I really miss whole heap.
I don't, my brother.
Whole heap of time I miss.
Alright, just take your time and no matter how hard it is and no matter how long it take, you have to continue fight. You have to fight. It's not go easy, but remember me tell you, say don't come with a
Me
fight.
not go stop, man, sis. Me not stop.
Alright, my brother. Take your time and do what you have to do, right?
Now, all I lie doing now.
Yeah, man, go and go get some rest or something. I make some food in the kitchen. I left dinner for you.
Alright, I don't really feel if you not for eat still.
Alright, well, already in there. Thank you, Father God. Yes! Finally, my brother, I get somewhere. 1 foot in, 1 foot closer. Soon get to be a part of my niece life. Sooner rather than later.
Mr. James. Yeah, man, you know, say, me just as I say that call me early and here what I go on, you know, say, me just reach from the premises door and we tell you the truth, the place I go well. Yeah, man, you get what you like. Remember, you explain and tell me how you don't want it to be and we did have a bigger work, you know, and me just try to get all of my team them at your premises and pause the work out after you tell me say you for a certain time. Yeah, man, so in less than a month everything we finish up. You know, we have place fully complete. Alright, Mr. J, you're on your work. Alright, no problem, man. Me call you back, man. Me just give you an update on what I want. Yeah, man, anytime I talk to daddy me make you know so if big him up. Alright, Mr. James, enough respect. Big up.
What's up, brother? Can I hear you, know? What's your boss here there?
Yeah, boy, come like you know there.
Let me know the boss here. Say what me go.
I will go on next Thursday.
Where the boss here?
What time you leave the premises this Thursday?
About after 4, boss here.
Half 4. So normally when we are the work at daytime, what time work normally over?
Sometime at 6 o'clock.
And after 5.
After 5.
And then show after 4 left.
Yeah, bossy, why me go like you? Bossy, you know me not like bossy.
Alright, so me say something to you. Why yesterday me hear say when me leave the premises, when me see you take up a block them after me warn you and me talk to you, me say they are mumble up and me say you left here after 1 and when me forward after 10 in the morning and me here say you left here after 1.
Oh, bossy, you know, say me tell you the truth though. Me did want shit, you know, and me's a man no shit a bush, you know. So me
Pardon me?
me's a man no shit a bush, cause true me did want shit hold me pan the work, you know. And me run go me yard, you know, bossy, so when me run go me yard, me woman no feel good. So me take it there, bossy, cause me see that the man there yesterday come and work, you know. And you give me whole day and the man do nothing all know, you know.
Let me ask you a question. What kind of work you do here?
Well, me's a trade, bossy.
You're a labourer.
Me
So you move like you're a contractor or you move like you're the boss?
Then boss if more shit from my fellow, eh?
Alright, me say something to you. If you, me nah wish bad upon people, but say sometime with attitude on have that me couldn't reach nowhere in a life. But here what I go on now. Me is a man, me not like violence and me not like one bag of talking because my mother and my father never grow me, so me grow in a good home. So here what I go on now. If it's since that they move like a boss and you is a contractor, you what go on now. You will be no longer working for Colour Book TV construction side. So here what, you left half day yesterday and furthermore, me miss 100 block. You don't know nothing about it.
Boy bossy, I said thing me I say no, cause it trade man they even lay up 100 block, you know. Me see one chop man come check him, you know. Me don't know what go on, you know.
You what go on.
What go on?
Since as how you move like you are the boss or you are the contractor, I think you need to fire yourself.
Bossy, me don't think that's a good idea.
Well, I think it does. But you what go on. Since you don't want to do the action, I can do the action. So you what go on now. This is for the half day we do yesterday. I'm not responsible to them because you don't live a bucket or you don't live a
Bossy, you know, say you don't want a good boss though. I'm going to tell you 2 reasons why you don't want a good boss.
You're free to
After me tell you say, chop man come link the trade man and lift up them black gun with. And me see Tugger come. I send him home. And I tell the dog say I have a pay him for the year.
Sometime in life it's good to mind your own business and stop mind people business because you have mind people business and yours are spoiled. Have a good
Alright, no say that, say I heard. Just go and look up yourself. I should have whole eye black then good.
Hope you can use that the money there and buy tissue. Rubbish. No sir. Say so look like also me cement there Mr. Too. That damn blasted boy.
Oh God, just hope my daughter just remember the number when me gave her yesterday. So she can find time. Just want she give me a call, Father God. Just a pray. Things just rough by my end, but always a call me, man. I'm under my stress, I don't talk to nobody right now. Swear. Father God, I pray about 3 times till last night. Just make she call me, please. This man. Hello?
Hello, good evening. Mr. Brown.
Yeah, who this?
Tia.
Tia? My daughter?
Yes.
Jesus Christ, you know me, I pray if you call me. Your brain good then, man, because you remember the number.
Yeah, let me just get to the chase. You can meet me out the road like right now.
No.
Right now. Yes.
Out,
Please, because me need to talk to you.
Ah, thank you, Jesus. All right, my daughter.
Right,
Which part out on the road?
Out of Bamboo Tree.
Bamboo Tree?
Yes.
All right, my daughter. Me a come. Me a forward, yeah?
Alright, no, you're here. Come need to talk to you. now.
Yeah, me I walk off now.
Alright.
Thank you, Father God. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you. Answer my prayer. That's why I didn't say patient, you know, Father God. Me have a little patience. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, God.
Oi, brother.
Sis,
Oi, where you
sis,
go?
me
Where
get
you
an
go?
urgent call. Me soon
mean
come
urgent?
back.
What urgent?
Urgent phone call. Me soon come back. When me come back, me tell you what I
What's so
got.
urgent about the phone call me can't run?
When me come back.
How what the hell I go on? But I said when he come back, I was so urgent. How what happen?
My daughter, thank you for calling me. You wouldn't know how me feel right now. Thank you for calling me. Sorry.
Alright, so me call you here so to talk to you. Like, I no want to talk over no phone, right?
Yeah, I understand that.
Me think about whatever you say yesterday.
Yeah, and me can get a hug.
No, you move too fast. Like, literally, slow down, please. Slow down. Not because me say me want to talk to you, no mean say you have to call me a daughter, that no mean say you have to hug me. At least not yet. Right? Alright. With everything what you say yesterday, me think about it. Me think about it last night, me think about it this morning before me call you. Right? Me forgive you. Like one little pinch where me can accept you a little bit. It'll get there. It's not dead yet, but it'll get there. Because me listening and me hear you like you want to mend back things. Right? You want to step up and be a man, me see it. Be a father. Right? So, what does that mean to talk to you about?
Daughter, honestly.
My name Tia. Just call me Tia, please. Because when you call me a daughter, you trigger one part in me. Just...
Tia, as I said before, I am very deeply sorry. I don't know if I can find it, not probably now, but probably tomorrow or the other day in your heart, just to forgive me, just a little tiny pinch of your heart, just forgive me. Please, me, I beg you, Tia. Please, you wouldn't even know it's a pleasure to stand up right in front of you right now. And it's how we have a simple conversation. You would even know right now, Tia.
Alright.
Honestly.
Mr. Brown, you don't know how much damage you do to me. You do a lot of damage to me. You get what I say? You damage me mentally and emotionally because you never did it for me. My first step when I take you, it's like not really my first step because when me and two you come out of my life. But you not even hear me say, when me say Dada, you wasn't there. When me say Daddy, you wasn't there. And my mother and my stepfather raised me from me 2 till now.
Yeah, no them time they cannot make up back for, because when you lose time, you cannot get it back. But if you're willing to just move on in the future, probably we can create back that bond there where we lost back then.
Mr. Brown, me even get married. You understand? Me engage. And you not even know them.
You married, me daughter?
Yes, me I get married. In a couple months time from now, me engage right now.
So, who are going to carry down the aisle?
Who are going to carry me down the aisle? I'm a stepfather. Coloring book, and him going to carry me down the aisle. Mr. Brown.
So my daughter, you can't just give me the chance to me carry down the aisle. Please, me I beg you.
You want me to give you the chance?
Me I beg you,
listen.
please, my daughter, please.
Mr. Brown, get up, just get up. Coloring book dead all my life, and him have the title, and him obligated to carry me down the aisle. Listen, me can't. Just take things slow. You rush me too much, me feel rushed.
A bad luck for your stepfather carry down the aisle, you know. When a real father there can carry down the aisle, you know. And me fear do that.
I hear what Mr. Brown. Me think about it. Just give me some time to think about. We have a lot of time.
Alright.
Please.
We can at least get a hug so we can sleep good tonight, please.
Alright.
Alright, my daughter.
Babes, what you do here, so? You know, what you do here, so what's the problem?
Me all know Tia no come home. All know me can't see
What
her
you mean
from
Tia no come home? Tia no in the house?
No, she left from yesterday and she no come back.
So from Tia left yesterday and no come home?
No, me a call her. It seems like she blocked me or something.
You call him phone and him block you? Or the phone a ring out?
If phone she not answer, me don't know what happened.
Me don't know what kind of demon getting at. Hold on there. Hold on there. So you no call him husband to be? Delano, you call Delano?
Me never really think about that. Right now, my head hurt me. Wait here, them. I can't more me.
So Tia no text you or call you and apologize from yesterday?
No.
Me tell you say Tia act like a big woman, you know. Me tell you say Tia change like a green lizard. I don't know when father tell him or say to him, you know. Cause Tia is not that type of person, you know.
I know she can't reach now yet. Me don't normally go one day without sick Tia. Me not like this. Me don't know if nothing happened to her. Me not like this at all.
Babes, you hear what me I say? Just listen and listen what me I say good. Tia pass in place with you call your girl and disrespect me,
But
and
that's
her
still
father.
my daughter.
Me understand. This is still your daughter. But listen what me I say. Calm down. Most of them look up in here nowadays. 21, 22, 23. Anytime me and them parents or them father in our argument, then try to hold out for 1, 2 days. So can we just chill out, go inside, and just if say by 1 hour no come, we know where Delano live. So we just go over Delano. What you think?
Oh, alright. But me can't sit down right now. Me I just go and chill.
Babes, you hear what me I say? You still just like we daughter say I'm a big woman. We understand say I'm a big man, but him a pass in place and when he say he say it and in disrespect and disrespect me, so we worry about him. So we are gonna go inside and just sit down for an hour. If you not call we just get a taxi and go over Delano. Alright, come on my baby. Father God just guide her and make sure say she alright.
Why? I don't even know what to cook. What kind of thin food I can look about. Maybe I have to go to brown stew some chicken or something, yeah, man.
Babes,
What's up, baby?
me there. What?
I'm there. I wait for you. From morning, I have to talk, but show me the very busy up.
Nobody talk about that.
You know, so I have to fire when I'm a worker today. My passing place, man, and I'm being so disrespectful. And right now, I feel like I'm all thief and I cement them. But everything very important right now. What's up with you?
Babe,
You look so depressed.
I feel depressed. Like me, I go through all the from morning, I want to talk to you, know. But you have your work business. Me
Sure,
just...
from morning we should talk, babe.
Alright, so you know, say me see my real father.
What you say, like, babes?
My biological father.
You meet him?
Yes, yesterday when you leave and me dog go shop go buy egg. Like me a pass.
That time you see him?
Me a pass and me see one man I talk to me, I know my name, my mother name, my age, all of them something there. And babes, at first me a behave angry with the man, you know. You understand what me I say? Like me a cry, him a cry. It's like the tension between me and him, they just, especially me, because there's so much anger in me for this man. You understand? Him man a beg me, him a apologize, him a do everything. Then he give me a number. Me never take out my phone or not, me just try to memorize the number. Me think about it.
Hold on, babe. I first see your father, like I first know him, right?
Yes.
How he look?
He dark skin, he hair look kind of pretty and he tall.
Hold on. You know, said this same person where you explained to me sound like somebody who me literally know. Hold on, 1 minute, babe. 1 minute. Because this story does sound like a something where me know the person, but me no want I misinterpret anything. Is this the person that you're talking to?
Yes, this is same person.
Babe.
Wait, how you...
So you try to tell me, say, my new work how me get. Mr. Brown, right?
Mr. Brown, yes.
Are your father? You know, so this is the man where me get for come work with me other day. New worker. Yesterday was even the first time I send him home. Because him a tell me say meeting that and towing forward and me say him not have energy towards work. Me pay him for the day.
Boy, babes, this is a small world. I just see a man there. Alright, anyways, me take his number and me never call him same time because me just couldn't wrap everything round my brain. You understand? You know, so this morning, me sit down and me I think about everything. That's when me gonna work? Yes, me I think about everything. You know, so me call him and tell him to come meet me, be.
So hold on, in my advice though, you don't think you move too fast? Just ask a question.
At one point, me think about it, but me just believe him say he must seek forgiveness.
So what your mother have to say about this and what your father have to say about this coloring book?
They don't really have nothing good to say like that, you know. Me and them all in a one little argument.
Argument?
Yes.
What happened? Talk to me, what happened?
Me go and me tell them my father. And me don't know, me mouth kind of slip and me call my mother girl.
You call your mother what?
Girl, because she lied to me.
Hold on. What you say? You call your mother girl, you talk about your mother Alia, we birth you, carry for 9 months, and carry you for 21 years. Raise her for 21 years, and she you call girl?
B, she lied to me. You
right
B, just listen to me and say no. B, couple days ago, my father come out with yard. Come call and my mother tell me say I whack a man. Even call the man garbage. She lied to me.
I get what you have to say, but that still don't give you the reason to call your mother girl. So your stepfather say?
Well, my stepfather at first me see my stepfather like that. Like him even girt me. Me don't know. Me really sorry. Me did call
so
her girl, but me tell him say man my father.
You tell your father coloring book, so him is not your biological father.
Be you know my father, my stepfather. Me find my real father now, be.
Yeah. You know, so me not think if you deal with coloring book, so because coloring book raise you from 2 years old till now, you're 21 years old, and send you to college into all of this. You see, in my opinion, I don't think your father, your biological father, deserve a space with you right now. Me feel like that man is a workless man, and saying that with no apology, and as me say, me know I take it as no disrespect. Because your stepfather been through it with you. That man don't know how you eat. That man don't know how you drink. That man don't know how you eat. That man don't know how you get clothes. That man don't know nothing about your life.
You understand, just like how God can forgive you. Me believe say everybody deserve a second chance.
People deserve second chance. Maybe you're right, maybe you're wrong. Maybe your father to get a second chance. Maybe he should not. But you know what I want you to do right now? I want you to find your mother and find your father coloring book and tell them that you're sorry for how you behave disrespectful with them. That's what you need to do right now. Be about come back and talk to me. I don't know if you're spending the night with them or I don't know if you're spending the night, but I feel like you need to mend back things with them. Your mother don't deserve the disrespect and your father don't deserve a coloring book.
Baby, understand, but you just not understand what me say. Baby, you should have seen the man when go up on all his knee and ask for forgiveness, be.
Babe, if you really love me, just do this for me and go to your mother and go to your father coloring book and apologize to them. Because I know you really love me and I really love you. Just do what I tell you to do. Babe, I hope the decision you make is the right decision. Can't believe that you really have said this to your mother. Your mother will birth you and raise you for 21 years. Right now, I don't even want to cook nothing because this does mash up my meds.
Babes, matter of fact, you know what I think say, because time I run out. I feel like if you just get ready right now and go over there and go check the land. Because they are so long right now And I see one night time I try call out your daughter and you not get him.
She not answer me. She
And
just
you're
don't
there
want
stressed
answer.
out and everything.
Let's see if we go over there.
You call just get ready to go over there. Go.
Thank you,
Good
Father
night,
God.
mommy. Good night, coloring book.
Good night, Tia. Alright. If your mother no want to say it, where you coming from, Tia?
Coloring book. Me not really come over here for argue. Me not come over
Listen,
here.
listen.
I'm not daddy anymore.
Listen, I'm not daddy anymore. As long as I'm in this roof, I'm daddy.
Alright, daddy. So me come to apologize. First, I want to apologize to mommy. Mommy, sorry for call you girl. Me really apologize. Me sorry.
You sure I'm bending when I kiss your mother foot and apologize?
And daddy, me sorry for how me react. But daddy, sometimes as parents push children to a limit, daddy.
Push your how?
Alright, listen. Daddy, mommy, me come to talk to you, like, and it's very important, right? So we had a conversation yesterday pertaining my father, my biological father.
Babes.
And
Let
you
him
know,
talk. Let
say
him
him not in my life for 19 years. Him abandoned me and my mother.
You know, in your life, none at all. Because I went time feel, I when I born,
Mommy,
he's still not
you
dead.
ever make me talk, mommy?
Babes, make him talk.
Mommy, make me
Make him
talk, please. Coloring book did it for me as a father. But me think right now, me just feel like say, me need my father in my life, my biological father. Me feel like me go forgive him. Mommy, me know you did talk to me and tell me say if you don't accept him and this and that, but the way me see man go down on him knee and I ask for forgiveness, him a cry, me a cry.
What do you mean? Hold on. What do you mean your father go down on his knee?
Me see him earlier, me call him and me tell him to meet up with me because me did really want to hear what, you understand, me didn't want
So
to hear
you're gonna meet the sperm donor.
At least the sperm donor is my dad. Coloring book, you're not my dad.
Tia, what you mean by coloring book on your father? Me tell us say it better off when you keep the man there out of your life and you content boy, you feel like you forgive your father. No, and your father is sperm donor. See your father there, and him raise you.
Mommy, me a 21-year-old now. Me supposed to can make any decision when me think necessary. Mommy, you know I feel for no say. My father in my life, me see other pitney when me grew up with cousins. When me grew up with have their father in their life.
So you not grow with coloring book? You never in your life?
Tia, you don't feel say you could have talked to your mother and tell him say you want to add back your father in your life. You don't feel say you could have talked to me and tell me say you want to add back your father in your life. But why you are add back your father in your life without our present, our knowing? And then not doing that. Only, disrespect your mother as girl. Disrespect me, I'm not your father. Why for your father come back in your life, disrespect the people who did you for over 20, 21 years?
Me not disrespect you, me and make you understand me. Nobody don't care about my feelings. Alright, since you don't care about my feelings, there's another decision where me make off of my own. I really don't care what I have to say. But just listen to me. Coloring book, you're not the one who are going to walk me down the aisle. My father are going to walk me down the aisle. Me think about it. Me really think about it. Because guess what? Coloring book, my father tell me say, he want to step up and be a man, be a father. Him also say, if you walk me down the aisle, that is bad luck. A bad luck. So why you want bad luck to follow me and Delano? Why?
So let me ask you a question. You don't want me a wedding? You don't want me a wedding, no? Because if your father walk you down that the island, you don't want me in your life anymore.
You see, only
No.
not care for me.
Tia, shut up! Shut up! Stand up!
Babes.
Stop. Stand up! Mister, if you stand up! Me a bad luck. For 19, 20 years, me a bad luck. Me not tell you say you can't meet your father and deal with your father. But there is no way you can turn under this roof here and meet your father, disrespect your mother, and disrespect me. So you see the way the plan of them everybody when me call and spend how much money, almost 500,000 to plan your wedding. Make your father step up and be a man and pay that 500,000. Tia, and me bring you to school and me raise you and me mind you. College. Everything, Tia. And you go tell me say me can't walk you down the aisle because less than 24 hours your workless papa come in your life and you want to throw me out. Tia, your cross is just like your little dirty papa. You come like green lizard, the two and deserve each other. Let me go. Your cross is Tia.
Yes, where your cause and him raise you. Tia, just come out of my side. Just come out. Just go on.
You reach. Who is that calling me? Hello? I'm not your father, stop calling me. Here we go on, people. Big up on yourself when you reach to the end of the movie. Please make sure so you like, share and comment and especially share the movie. Because when you share the movie, YouTube boots up in an algorithm too. So just do right. And before you leave, if you don't want to sponsor anybody else on the Panama trip, contact the number on the screen. That's it. So and only for the trip alone, for the room, well money for the room too. So you contact the number, pop it and we go into further information. Big up on yourself.